How to file an online divorce in Los Angeles County. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're looking to file for divorce in Los Angeles County and want to do everything online without going to court, you're in luck. Thanks to California's electronic filing system and the rise of remote legal services, it's now possible to complete the entire divorce process without ever stepping foot in a courthouse. We'll explain exactly how online divorce works in LA County and how we can help you get it done smoothly and affordably. The first step in filing an online divorce is preparing the initial documents. This includes the petition, summons, and if you have children, the required custody forms. These documents must be correctly filled out and filed with the LA County Superior Court through their electronic filing, or e-filing system. Once the case is accepted and a case number is issued, you'll receive stamped copies back, which are used to officially serve your spouse. After the initial filing, your spouse must be served with the divorce papers. While the forms are filed online, service must still be done in person by someone over 18 who is not involved in the case. Once service is completed and the court is notified with a proof of service, the mandatory 6-month waiting period begins. Next, both parties must complete and exchange financial disclosures. These forms, while not filed with the court, are required before your divorce can be finalized. Once disclosures are complete, we prepare your final judgment package, which includes your marital settlement agreement or stipulated terms and several other court forms. This entire judgment package can also be filed electronically with the court. We recently helped a couple in Los Angeles who lived in separate cities and didn't want to meet in person or go to court. We handled every part of the process online. They signed everything electronically, we e-filed all the documents, and the court approved their divorce without either spouse ever leaving home. At Divorce 661, we specialize in handling 100% online divorces for clients throughout Los Angeles County. Visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We prepare all your documents, handle all e-filings, and guide you through every step from start to finish without court appearances, confusion, or high attorney fees. If you want to file your divorce online in Los Angeles County and make sure it's done right the first time, visit Divorce661.com to schedule a free consultation. We'll help you file, serve, settle, and finalize your divorce, all from the comfort of your home.